Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can regenerate an element in your app projects in the app builder on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So guys, what you want to do in the first step is navigate to Base44, then log into your account, select the workspace in the top left, and here click into all apps. Then click into the given app you would like to edit. I will go with this one. That is going to redirect you to the app editor. What you will need to do, guys, is enable the edit mode here to add changes and edits, for example, to edits that have been made either by you, by one of your co-editors, or by the artificial intelligence. You can do that by clicking into edit here, and that is going to allow you to interact with these elements and to change them. You can also switch from the page view to the canvas view if you find this easier here. So that is going to show you your app page, or the page of the given page of the app in the canvas view. Now, guys, what you want to do after that is navigate to the given element. So let me go, for example, with let me zoom in and let us go with this element here, right? So click into edit here, and then click into it with your left mouse, and you will see this small button here in the bottom left, regenerate design, and that is going to give you these opportunities here. So you can, for example, decide to explore different styles, switch colors, or enter a custom prompt here. And if you do this, guys, the prompt will be redirected to the AI tool here, so that it may apply these changes. So if I don't know, choose, for example, explore different styles, you will see the prompt here, right? And as I said, the artificial intelligence on Base44 will react to your prompt and apply that change. As you can see, for example, ask you follow-up question depending on your regenerate request. For example, in this case here, which style should the tasks header take on? So I'm going to choose this one, click into it, apply, and then the artificial intelligence will apply these changes. Give it a moment, and that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.